Good day from the office of the Mob Justice Football. If you like the content, just press the plus on your right top. We are also there on YouTube. It's Advocate of Mob Justice Football. We are there on YouTube as well. Please do subscribe. I was at Loftus yesterday to watch a beautiful game of the first leg between Mamelodi Sundowns of South Africa and Esperance de Tunisia. I just wanted to explain what really happened, which people might have violated some of the rights here. But what I can just say here is that uh, I can hear people blaming the security. I can hear people pointing fingers at Esperance fans. I can hear people pointing fingers at Mamelodi Sundowns supporters. What really happens here? The reason why you can see these green chairs unoccupied is that there was a palisade fence here which demarcate Esperance fans from Mamelodi Sundowns supporters. From this side where you see yellow, 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 this side, it was full, more particularly because there was chances of raining on the halftime. So people makes their way to the upper level, that side, and live on the lower level because they were afraid of the rains. This is what is happening. So what really happens here, Esperance were on a certain demarcated specific area. Only Esperance fans were on this area, and Sundowns supporters were all over the facility. Something that I must just be able to command, because last time the weighted supporters were put somewhere on that other corner. So when the Skubusa Sundowns and the Skubusa weighted tend to be played, it tends not to make sense. But this really makes sense according to me. So what really happens here is that there was a throwing of the water bottle because before the whole incident can even started. So here on the tunnel, there were supporters that were leaving the pitch. Remember, this happened. It was also happening during the game, but it wasn't really that much. There was no that sense of a threat that is coming. So supporters that were on their way out. Remember, Loftus is this size. So when a huge number of supporters they are trying to make their way out of the stadium, that's where you feel like even the movement is going to be very slow, according to what I've experienced and according to what other supporters might have experienced attending game at Loftus. So there was a water bottle that was thrown there at Esperance. Esperance supporters as well, they throw the water bottle, but not on these ones that are on the right hand side, but on this one, Kotlasi, on the other lower levels, Kotlasi, plus the tunnel of those that were leaving the facility. Okay, I see again that side. So that happened. The emotions of Esperance losing a game against Mamelodi Sundowns. Few guys of Esperance went and opened the palisade there. That was a risky move because they're opening that palisade so that the supporters that are on that other side, they can be able to enter that side that is demarcated. Wrong move by them. So they opened. When they opened, they started throwing each other with the bottles. Others, they hold those palisades. Then on the later stage, that's where they started to threaten these people that I can estimate to be almost 200. They threatened them. They bachuma those light things and all those stuff. Then they were swinging on the air as if supporters must be able to run because a bomb there it's coming. If you don't know, and if you've never been on the stadium, you will feel that there's a bomb. They started to throw those things on Sundowns fan base. I must say, the fan base that was here, it was very much peaceful. If it was others, they were going to be a chaos. So, on the interest of time and the battery, so that's what happened until these guys they ran, they did this passage here, they ran to that other passage, and that's a dead end. They have to jump to the other stand that side. That's what really transpired. So I know that sometimes you throw bottles and all those stuff, but opening a palisade was the first mistake that the Esperance fans did. Secondly, the switching on of those bombs, some others they might feel threatened and feel like now it's time to attack. That's where all these things happen. To them, it was like a game. But the instigator of this violence was Esperance fans and supported by Mamelodi Sundowns MC that I always call into order each and every time. Each and every time. He was calling on a mic saying that, hey, whatsoever and whatsoever that he was saying. So such kind of situation, in this kind of situation, I think that guy must be taken to school or somewhere so that he knows how to control the crowd. The issue was so long, but I wish to explain on the second video in the interest of the time.